Alright, well I don't need to start it up. These are the puddles that were left from the other night when I fired it up. The water, it sat for a couple days. The water stayed in the radiator. I just checked the oil, it's fine. And I just put some more water in the reservoir. I'm gonna pause this and go ahead and fire it up. I'm gonna turn the heater off though, seeing as this stayed in here, and then I'll try to give you a good look at it. There's something. I didn't even notice that tire. Alright, we're gonna walk around. Starting to smell coolant. It's starting to get warm already. It's probably only about 65 degrees though, so it may take it a little bit. Fan's running. Not sure what that air sound is. I guess maybe it's this. I don't know. And it's humming. The fan is definitely strong. I don't know, I'm not seeing anything come out right now. It's been running for close to 5 minutes. Seems to be idling fine, but I'm gonna give it longer and let it run for a while, see what it does. I didn't notice that. It's been running idle for a little while now. But, I mean, I can smell the coolant. But I'm not seeing anything anywhere yet. Not seeing anything drip down. I mean, there's puddles, but I don't know where they're coming from. The only water is coming from the exhaust pipe, it looks like, which I know that's probably not good. I'm a little worried about this over here. Alright, I'm gonna pause it and flip the heater on and see what it does. Alright, heater's on. It's already clicking. There it goes. There's a puddle starting right there. Looks like oil though. Yeah, it's oil. Not sure how far in we are with it running. Alright, it's been running with the heat on for about 5 minutes now. It's getting up there. And that's when I turned the heat on. It started running hot. So I got heat on. And she's running hot. Turning the heat off. Cooled down right away. And it stopped clicking.